beautiful day today. Just a perfect day to get into science! In Sam's Slime Lab, a world so grand. There's murder slime with plans so cunning and grand. But Sue comes along, her mischief is so mean. Blowing up experiments, causing a scene. Dreariness and gloom fill Sam's Slime Lab. As everything explodes, it's truly quite drab. Sam works so hard, but Sue's causing a flap. In Sam's Slime Lab, it's a never-ending trap.
Hey, Sammy, where are you going?
In the shower, duh.
Oh, really? Why are you wearing a scientist's robe then?
That's not a scientist's robe. It's a bathrobe. I even have a towel. Look.
Oh, well, okay then.
She bought it. So, where was I? Hey, Susan! She's gone? Great! Let's keep going. Get out of here. Secret door. Open up. There doesn't seem to be anyone here. Let's see. Experiment number 1143. And here's the subject of our experiment, my notebook. It looks just like a regular notebook at the moment, right? Do you like to write in your notebook during your studies as much as I do, friends? Then hit like, so I can count how many of us notebook lovers there are. All right! And now, back to our experiment. So, I'm covering the notebook with a special lilac paint. For the sake of experimentation, we should paint the whole notebook cover.
What do you have there? Wow!
So, how did you get in here?
Well, I saw you going through the secret door and followed you. You have so much cool stuff here.
Put that back in its place. Here, take this and follow the instructions.
Ah, got it! Turn me over. Turn me over? Turn me over? Oh, come on!
Great! I think she's distracted. I can finally get on with it. And how did she manage to get in here? There's a secret password on my door, after all.
Do you mean the password that says candy?
Well, since you figured it out, I guess you're allowed to be in my lab. Now, where was I?
Look, Sammy, free candy!
Candy? Gimme!
Here's a little surprise for you, scientist. Just shush, everyone.
There's no candy back there. They're probably all taken. Oh well, let's get on with it. Now, let's fix everything with polish. It is important not to miss anything. All we'll have to do is let it dry. I'm gonna go grab a snack.
This place seems to be in order now. Perfect.
What? Susan? Why did you move everything?
I was just cleaning up. I shouldn't have.
What? You cleaned up? Everything was just the way I needed it. What am I gonna do now?
I laid everything out neatly, and now it's easy to find it all.
No, it's not.
Would you just take a better look at this, Sammy? Pretty cool, right?
Wow! How is that even possible?
I know, right? This is just like real magic. Check it out.
Wait. Do you have something on your hands?
Nope. The notebook is covered with special paint.
Huh. How special?
A thermochromic one. It changes color when you touch it. Look at this.
I didn't have one.
Maybe someone brought it in?
Is that someone's name Sue?
Maybe.
And that someone violated the purity of the experiment. I'll never see the Slimestein Science Prize.
Don't give up. I'll help you.
How?
We need some pens. Also, a little water, a little oil, and of course, glitter. We can't do without it. Now, you and I will be making a lava pen.
Huh? A lava pen?
That's right. Look. We should get the rod out of the pen, like this. Now, we'll seal one end of the rod with glue. Is there a dropper here?
A dropper. If I were a dropper, where would I be? Okay, it's definitely not here. Sue's a little too bossy for her own good. Oh, I think I remember where I put the dropper. There it comes. Here you go, Sue.
Perfect, thanks. Now look, it's all scientifically signed now.
Huh? Great! What's next?
Finally, the long-awaited recognition. Now let's focus on the experiment. First, we'll pour in some oil. Carefully, try not to spill anything. Now we'll add some water. And, of course, our glitter. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. Now we'll put the rod back in place. Don't worry about spilling liquid and close the pan tightly. And voila! These are the super lava pans we got. I made them in different colors. And this is what they do. Cool, right? They are so shiny. Everyone would want to have a pan like this.
Now that's what I call an actual experimental pen. You can write everything with it. By the way, I was just planning to start another experiment. You want to be my assistant?
Of course, Sammy.
All right. Then get me the pens from that far shelf.
Pans, you say?
Duh. Just like the ones you are holding in your hands now.
Whoops. They're exactly those pans I used to make these lava pans.
What? But how come? I was gonna make the world's coolest robot out of pens. What do we do now? Oh no! I'm panicking. I'm panicking.
I'm so sorry, Sammy. Can't you use this?
No!
Oh, friends, please give us tons of likes so our Sammy doesn't get too upset.
5,000 at least.
Oh, Sammy, wait! Sorry!
You know, 5,000 likes sound great. But it's still a shame about the experiment. I'm gonna have to come up with a new plan. At least I have a pen to take notes. So, what would we come up with? Yeah, let's start writing it down right away. Done!
What are you writing? Oh, come on, don't pout. Here you go, Sammy.
Is that nail polish? I'm not in the mood for manicure, Sue.
It is not nail polish.
No, you will ruin it.
I won't, I promise. Check it out.
Huh? What? What's that? How's that?
It is just a DIY highlighter. If you want, we can make another one. Pick any color you want.
Pink, of course.
Right. First of all, let's take apart this. Now we need to get the stem.
You know, that one sounds pretty scientific.
Glad to hear that. Then let's get on with it. Squeeze the contents of the rod into the bowl. By the way, is there any alcohol in here?
What kind of lab doesn't have alcohol? It would be easier to find it if you weren't cleaning up, though. Now everything's a mess. Oh, there he is. Barely found it.
But you did. Now we need to combine it with paint. And fill the nail polish bottle with our mixture. It's great that you have all this stuff in your lab, Sammy. This funnel really comes in handy.
You need cool equipment to do cool experiments. Just saying.
Well, here we go. Now you can highlight any text in this unusual way. No more boring markers. This is the era of new and unusual highlighters. And they're so convenient to use. Cool, right?
They're awesome! What are we supposed to do with regular highlighters now? I have a whole bunch of them. Why don't we make something out of them together? Can we, Sue?
Well, we can make you a totally unique, amazing rainbow text highlighter.
That sounds interesting.
And very simple to make. We'll take a yellow highlighter, then blue and pink. Now we'll press our blue highlighter against one side of the yellow one, like this. And we'll do the same thing with the pink highlighter. And that's it! All the colors are mixed together to make a rainbow. Wanna test it?
Did you really need to ask?
I guess this lab really puts me in a scientific mood. Now let's do this!
Wow, it does look like rainbow!
Uh-huh.
No, that's enough. I've got something interesting up my sleeve too I really want to show you.
Huh, okay, I'll be waiting. Oh, what are these?
Don't be afraid, they're just anti-stress balls. I know how to make so many different things out of them, like ball pen holders. That way, we can keep the lab in order. And no one will take my pens for their own experiments.
Sounds very interesting. And how do we do that?
Look, you must cut that top loop off. Here you go.
This one? Well, alright, but you're gonna have to help me.
No problem. I will hold one end of it and pull. I'm okay.
Do you really think anything will hold up in here?
That's why we have to put this cup inside.
Alright, give me a second. Oh, this guy is so funny!
Well done, Sue! Now we're sure to be mess-free.
Great experiment! Let's make some more! Our cups are ready! Whoops!
Stop ruining my lab!
Come on, Sammy, don't be mad. It was an accident. That's it. I will never leave this awesome lab.
What? No way!
I'm just kidding. Or maybe I'm not.
I have to get her out of here, fellas. See you soon.
Good luck with that. See you soon, everyone.